Sheesh, was good, y'all. Oh, shit.
It's your boy K. I'm back with another video.
Last leaf slime pool wins 10K.
Man, I said Hey, we got a crazy video today. Last leaf slime pool wins. Let me see that ticket real quick. $10,000. Let's get slimy. Y'all subscribe. Let's get into the video.
Let's get slimy. Oh my god.
YouTube wonder once again in another. No, this ain't another slime. It's another slime pool type. Yeah, I'm finna win that 10,000, man. Let's do it!
Yo, it's your boy Call the Kid. So boy in the cut, man. I'm in the slime right here, man. I'm finna get slimed up, man. I'm let my nuts hang. I'm let my nuts swing.
Man, what it is, I don't be by. It's your girl Mozzie Jade. I'm back in another challenge, and I'm scared of this one, but hey.
What it is, man? It's your boy Money Man Jeff, man. You know how to come sliming for that 10 ball.
Slime for that 10 ball, man.
You already know what it is. It's your boy, produced by Iconic. I'm in this bit. Finna win that 10 ball. You already know it.
Yo, it's Innocence. I'm about to get in this slime pool, feel me? I'm low-key nervous, but I'm gonna do it.
Yo, I look like a frog. I'm on your ass.
Jeez.
What? I'm finna win that 10,000.
No,
Hey, I'm real slime out for real.
Say no, you're not. It's mine.
Even if you do win them,
Yo, got me trying to wee-wees and stuff?
I'm big dog. I'm big dog. I'm big dog.
you're scaring me.
Oh, it seems like he wanna win the 10,000. Nah. You know, I'm gonna win that 10K. Hey, so look, check it out, man.
Bro, humping the slime.
Come on, get mine. Hey.
Trying to bust the
I
slime.
don't know, but like, I feel like I'm finna win, like, on God, though, like, God. Man, you already know, man, I'm a pro, man, I'm coming around it, man.
Slime?
You know, baby, I lie, you know,
Hey, Wonder, I can get 1,000? I got you. Hey, I got Wonder 10.
Cameraman asking for a rack.
You gonna give me 1,000?
Neighbor, yo, you gotta jump in. Think about it, you in slime for real, you gotta be real slimy, think real slime.
I'm so slime, I got slime in my pocket.
Alright, so all of y'all warmed up? Yeah. Teacher, I'm not playing. So look, man, the first challenge we're gonna start off with, everybody's gonna go under the slime. The first one to pick their head up is out. Okay?
Let's do it. Let's go. Hey, wait.
Nobody's lasting more than 10-15 seconds on this. I guarantee it. It's not water.
Everybody's dying. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Right?
Genesis.
4, 5,
Genesis
6,
out. Genesis out.
6, 7.
She's out like that, she didn't wanna go under.
Oh, yeah, that was not more than 10 seconds, all of them.
What?
Genesis is bored,
You good, bro? You good?
Yeah, I'm good, bro. Yeah, you feel me? Just like, I'm just see if I lost my ring down here.
Oh, shit.
Hi, it's me, Call the Kid. One thing about me, I know I'm gonna win. You know what I'm saying? I'm from another island, man. Oh, nothing, dollar.
Yo, chat, I'm gonna get a POV of how the sound gonna be. Look, let me see the camera. Okay.
Relax.
Come on, today we'll be watching these
Slime.
Who you got your money on?
I got my money on me.
But you're not in the game.
We got 5
Oh,
people,
you're
man.
too slimy out
A
here.
whole bunch of balls in the pool. So y'all see the different colors, right? Everyone's assigned to a certain color. Everyone has a partner with a bucket. So y'all have 25 seconds to get as much balls as possible inside that bucket. Whoever has the least amount of balls inside that bucket is out. Your partners are counted for you. So Swallow gonna count my balls.
So each person got a color.
Whoa.
Trey is dark blue. You're purple. Yes, sir. You're green. Okay. Yeah. You're red. Let's go. And you're light blue. Let's go. We got one more time. 25 seconds start. Today you got that ball. Wait. Let me get the 25 seconds, sir. Let me get it. Yeah. All right. I know y'all coming. Yeah. 25 seconds on the clock. All right. 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Collect the balls.
Yo, no curse. Little do y'all. 3, 2, 1. Let's see how much Jade got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 for Jade, okay.
11.
Next person. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Yes, sir!
Who's next? Call the kid.
Yo, playboy.
Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yes, sir. Okay. And that's that.
Q1.
Hey, move all these balls, cause I'm finna just like shut your whole shit down right now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, Kobe. Hey,
MT.
Will Jade stay in the game?
No.
1, 2, 3,
MT, come down.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Everybody grab a bucket. Grab a bucket.
Slam down.
Shorty,
Down.
you're out of here.
Hey, look, hey, where the camera at? Hey, shout out to Jane, you feel me?
Shout out to Jane.
She was the last girl to compete against all the dudes. That's some real grown man. You feel me?
I'ma say seal me up on that one. Cause I had a partner and she came and tried to, you feel me?
Hey, you wanna hear some? Excuses are like
No,
ass.
I can't.
You do the wrong thing, get slammed down. I'm sorry, baby.
What that about me? Four, right?
Alright, so look, y'all boys. Y'all under arrest. Ain't gonna lie.
Oh,
Ain't gonna lie.
Come over here.
I'm running. Don't be too rough with it.
No!
Nah, fuck that.
Hey, why you making these tight? I mean, freak, man. Freak it. Fuck it.
Alright, y'all boys, show them your hands.
Free me at the pad.
Alright, so everyone has handcuffs on right now. There's keys under the water.
Yes, sir.
The last one to uncuff their handcuffs is out. What? Y'all ready?
Yes, sir.
Alright, y'all turn around and put them. Quiet on set.
Quiet on set.
Three, 2, 1, go! You gotta show the camera. You unlocking the keys. You gotta unlock your handcuffs on the camera.
Let me know when you have one, key. Let me know when you have one.
Oh, we got one right here.
Damn, handcuffs.
You gotta show the camera. Y'all already know.
Come on, here under.
Prison break.
Come on, Wonder. Come on, it's not working, Wonder.
Don't slime me.
The brothers. Oh.
He lost the key. Come on. MC, what you got? MC, where you at, MC? Colin K, where you at? Oh, you looking at the top? He's at the bottom, fam. What? Hey, Jason, fam.
Oh, you gotta find a key in there?
Watch my vlog. Watch my vlog. He just got arrested while we were trying to get stuff for the slime pool. Go watch the upload, man. They took it. They took it. Not forever. Oh, how you not filling the keys?
That's what I'm saying. What I'm saying. I'm like,
Slime it for keys and slime. Hey, you found one. Oh, wait. They both found it at the same time. Oh, you got it off.
Hey, slime him out, y'all. Slime him out, y'all. Slime him out, slime him out. Slime him out, man. Slime him out, man. Slime him out, man.
Instant fade. Oh my god. He body slammed him into the slime. That's that Haitian shit, bro. He say he Haitian, so you know they be different.
Man, they cheated on me, man.
Turn the hose off.
Man,
Turn the hose
he cheated
off.
on me, man. He cheated, man. You know, I was trying to put it in for real, man. He did it the easy.
But he told you gotta do it in front of the camera, bro.
Yeah, I wonder if we gotta win this.
You gonna take it home?
Boy, I'm finna take that bread home. Them boys tripping, boy.
I could get a bed.
No stuff. You know I got you.
Hey, Trey, Team Trey.
The golf was gonna be right here.
Hey, yo. Hey, yo. All right, go.
There's 3 players remaining. We're playing cornhole. The last one of y'all to make it inside the
Bag?
hole is out. After this, we have 2 players left for the $10,000. So stay tuned.
I'm first. Let's go.
Let's go.
It's a parade inside my city.
Let's go. Let's do it.
Walk one.
You can use both, the red and blue.
Damn.
It's a parade inside my city, hey. Walk one.
Come on, next person. Come on, keep it going.
Walk one.
He trying to win that chicken.
Walk one.
He trying to win that chicken. I've been doing this, but y'all gotta understand. Make sure you give it to the best.
Pass the set. Oh, almost. Take it, move on.
Come on, yeah!
That is it. Come on. Let me try to.
Here.
You got butter or crib.
Oh, you got it. Oh, Jay, what is that?
Little house with the water in the back. That's fine.
Hey, slam me out.
Slam him out.
I did that on purpose.
You start doing the John Morant. If he was an inch, he would have hit his head on that little, like, damn, on the pole.
Go empty.
What the fuck?
That's that Florida right there.
You got it on camera, Jit. My CC. It's that one-on-one. He dead, man. That boy
It looks
dead.
just like that, though. That's crazy.
He dead. It's just me and him.
I'm not really even trying to win. I'm just trying to slime him out.
All right, so we got the final round. It's a championship round. All right, so you got a minute on the clock. You're gonna be the blue team. You're gonna be the red team. You have to get as much balls as you can into your pit. Whoever gets the most wins the $10,000. All right. Now, before y'all try to say any cheating, this and that, blue. They say, all right. There's 2 different type of reds as well.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it. Y'all got a minute on the clock. Y'all hype it up. Everybody that was in the video, come around the field. Everybody come around the field.
Let's go.
Hey, how you feeling right now? Talk to me. Come talk to me. Talk to me.
Hey, this lawyer money.
Okay, loyal money.
10 bag going to the lawyer.
He just don't know, bruh.
Mm.
Iconic, I'm in this bit.
Ty should tell him. I can get 100. I can get 100.
I'm out.
Hey, y'all boys, call. Hey, somebody get my phone. Call my lawyer. Tell him I got 10 for him.
She ain't even won yet, though.
Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Go! Go, 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 go! Guys, go, 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 go! Let's go!
Nah, I think he gonna win, though. Hey, look how fast he goes. Nah, he's going. Got some the pedal, bro. What the? And he has no color balls mixed. This nigga got blue. I mean, he got blue and red. Man, he's making it extra hard.
Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, no math. 20.
Nah, he won, bro.
50.
That's a lot.
52. 54. Geometry. 56. Algebra.
I don't know.
58. Civics.
What y'all think? I don't know.
90. 92. 94.
Ooh.
96.
Okay.
98. 100. 102. 104 and 106. Okay. 106. He got 106. I'm cold right now. Let's do it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 46, 48, 50, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hold on, hold on, hold on.
See no more balls.
82, 94. Damn. 96, 97. Oh! We got a championship!
I knew it. I called it. 10,000. Let's go.
One more.
Hey, $10,000 winner, man.
Yeah, hey, remember, Auntie, remember our deal.
10,000, man. Here you go.
Hey, call my lawyer, man. Tell him I got 10 ball for him.
We'll watch the vlog too. We got arrested trying to make this video happen. We gone.
Damn.
That was history, man. Hey, this shit.
Crazy how people get arrested over videos.
So now we got 5 players remaining. We have balls in.
Shot it was over.
Hey.
No homo. Sorry.
Why would he be homo?
Nah, it's over. Alright. Sheesh. Getting arrested over vids is crazy. Y'all don't know, man. Make sure you guys move, man. It's crazy out here. Getting arrested for vids is like, it's not cool. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, gang. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. And I'm gone. Sheesh.